Hi, Ken Abishan, certified yoga therapist and co-owner along with my wife Cassandra here at Namaste. So you've heard about yoga therapy and perhaps you've even had a doctor or physical therapist or friend recommend that maybe you should get yoga therapy, but you have no clue what yoga therapy is. Yoga therapy can be as subtle as using your breath to calm your mind or to alleviate stress, or as physical as adapting poses in recovery from surgery or an injury. So, any of these things and everything in between those classify as yoga therapy. As a certified yoga therapist, we're trained to work clinically. So when we go into, say, a medical situation where we're in a hospital, we're usually working on mitigating pain and helping people going through procedures to reduce the stress and pain of going through those procedures, usually working on mindfulness techniques where maybe we're using a little mudra and some breath work in order to create an environment that the mind isn't so wrapped up in the thought process of what's happening, that you're actually kind of relaxing into it and allowing it to happen. And another point, we'll have somebody come in to the studio who has gone through either an injury or physical therapy and is looking for ways to translate what they've learned in physical therapy and how far they've progressed to getting back to what would be a normal level of activity in life for them. And when they come in, and I'll meet with them and we'll talk about what poses they can and cannot do, what they're feeling as they go through those poses, and we work on adaptations for those poses. So if you wanted to get into something that is going to be less harmful for your sciatica, then we can work on several poses that will first help open up the hips and the lower back before moving into deeper poses and knowing where to back out and where to move a little deeper. So this gives you an idea in a nutshell of some of the things that we can do in yoga therapy that's different than a regular yoga class. And we here at Namaste pride ourselves in the fact that every class that we have is accessible to everybody in all levels. And we start with some classes that are very gentle, some that are very therapeutic, and some that are led by people like myself that are certified yoga therapists.